Little but mighty!
Hello everyone, I'm Miss Joey, a teacher here at Little But Mighty. Do you know the difference between these, that, these and those? Are they confusing or difficult for you to remember? Fret no further, because in this video, I will be showing you a fun way to remember these words so that you can have an easier time differentiating them. But before we do that, do you know that this, that, these and those are known as demonstrative determiners? Demonstrative determiners are used to indicate or point to specific nouns in a sentence. They help to show where a person or thing is located. To decide which demonstrative determiner to use, we must identify two things. First, whether the subject is singular or plural, and second, whether the subject is near or far from us. In order to tell whether a subject is near or far, reach out your hand. If you can touch the person or the object, that would be considered near. Otherwise, we would say that the person or object is too far away. Now, let me show you how demonstrative determiners work. We use this to refer to a singular noun that is near to you. For example, this card that I'm holding is interesting. As I'm talking about one singular object, the card, and I'm holding it, which means it is near to me, we use this. Next, we use that to refer to a singular noun that is far from you. For example, the boy standing across the road is my friend. As I'm talking about one singular person, the boy, and he is across the road, which means he's far from me, we use that. Next, we use these to refer to plural nouns that are near to you. For example, these cookies on the counter in front of me are delicious. As I'm talking about the many cookies in front of me, this means that the cookies are near to me. Hence, we use these. Lastly, we use those to refer to plural nouns that are far from you. For example, those houses over there are beautiful. As I'm talking about many houses, and over there is used to refer to things or people that are far, we use those. Now, let me share with you a fun way we can remember these demonstrative determiners. We will focus on the vowels in the demonstrative determiners. If we look at the vowels in this and that, there is only one vowel found in each word. The letter I in this and the letter A in that. This means we will use this and that for singular nouns since singular refers to one of something. To remember when to use this or that, look carefully at the letter A in that. Don't you think that it looks like an eye that is open wide? This is similar to how when we want to look at something far away, we will open our eyes wide to see it. So, that is why we use that for a singular object or person that is far away. If we look at the vowels between these and those, there are two vowels found in each word. This means that these and those are to be used for plural nouns. Plural nouns usually mean that there is more than one object or person. In this instance, to remember when to use these or those, look at the letter O in those. Just like the letter A in that, the letter O in those looks like an eye that is wide open. Remember, we open our eyes big and wide to see something that is far away. Hence, those is used to refer to plural subjects that are far from us. I hope that you are able to identify the differences between the demonstrative determiners. If you have been enjoying our content, do remember to like and subscribe.